Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to be cleaning my AC condensing coils. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. So this is my AC unit. It is about 14 years old, and as you can see, I've got trees and bushes and whatnot, and look at the ground, there's leaves and whatnot, and guess where a lot of those leaves go? They go inside the unit. And a lot of dirt and stuff clogs my coil fins, and so today's project is to clean these out. It will improve the efficiency of this and allow this unit to get rid of heat quicker with better airflow. So before we get started, I've got some gloves and some goggles because you don't want to get chemicals on your skin or in your eyes. So the very first thing to do is turn the power off to the unit, and that is done through a disconnect. You may have a breaker or something close. And this little plastic knob here, pull this out. Now you can either flip this over and put it back in, or do what I'm gonna do, and that's just set this on the top and close that so the water can get back in. This unit has been worked on a lot over the years, and you can see a lot of the screw holes aren't even in. But the next thing I'm going to do is remove, these are 5/16, well I should say typically 5/16, or whatever the repair guy had in his pocket to put back in. And so I'm going to remove these screws with a nut driver and lift the top off. And this is the cleaner I'm using. Okay, so my condensing fan wires are really short, and I don't have enough space in it to move my top off, so I've got a helper just holding that down. I'm going to vacuum that out with a shop vac to at least clear the channels and whatnot, and then I'll start spraying this thing. So I bought a kit called a Coil Cannon on Amazon. This is about 70 bucks, and it's great because it's reusable, and I can buy the cleaner in bulk rather than the aerosol cans. Nothing wrong with the aerosol cans, but they just don't saturate the coil like this thing does. The kit comes with the sprayer. It all plugs in with quick connects, and it does a nice job in foaming. So I'm going to connect this and start getting the coil wet. So with this Coil Cannon, you can set the dial for different settings. A is a 3-to-1 ratio, all the way up to E, which is a 10-to-1 ratio. I'm just going to go in the middle. I'm going to go with a 6-to-1. So I'm going to put this at a C and start spraying. Okay, so you can see the foaming action. I've got the inside and the outside. I'm just going to let this sit for 10 minutes or so, let it do its thing, and then rinse it off. You know, I mentioned earlier to wear gloves and glasses, and I neglected to do that when I started. I caught myself, and now I'm safe. Okay, so look at the crap there coming out. That's good. All right, well, here's the aftermath. The coils are visually cleaner. Lots of mud, dirt, whatnot. I'm not saying it's all from the coil, mind you. I'm sure some of it is, but a lot of it's just from the crap near the bottom. So it looks good. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.